Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Let the rest of the assembly begin. Now we have completed most of the work we had to do. The doors are still not on because I have painted where the pins for the hinges come. The interior is assembled. However, I am having some electrical issues. Now I have managed to get the front lights and the rear lights going, but the blinkers are still not working. I'm pretty much as far as you can be from an electrician, so I am working my best. It's not a complicated car, but still, if you're not from this field, it can be a little bit tricky. So Sasha, my friend, has been helping out, but right now he's a little bit busy, so I'm progressing on my own. I hope I get most of the things done because I want to fire up the engine, and if the engine fires up, I want the rest of the car to be completed enough to drive it. We need to inspect what's wrong with the horn because it was blowing fuses. Also something not right with the electric fuel pump. So yeah, we have a little bit of a list that we have to go through, but hopefully we'll manage to get it done. Now we have quite a lot of work to do. We need to check the fuel pump. We need to put the fuel in and make everything ready for hopefully start the engine. Yeah, this is very exciting times. After 3 years, it would be really nice if the car starts. So anyways, let's get to work. I'm going to take you around of what is now finished. The interior is mostly done. We're missing the door panels, but we still need to coat everything underneath and inside the door cavities with fluid film. Okay, so I have now took off the valve cover and I have put this rod, which has like a flathead screwdriver end to it, and put it in the distributor. Turned it with a drill on low speed just to build up the oil pressure. Now I hope that this is now done. Now I have to put petrol in the car, so we'll have a chance of making it run. Okay, so the battery is now being filled, so we can use it for cranking. I have a spare battery there just to be sure. We also have to put in the coolant. This is now the engine area, minus the door panels, but other than that I really like the driver's area. The seats are pretty cool as well, very comfortable. I need to polish and make this cap pretty again, but now it's time to fill it up. To pa ja, ne?
Aha.
Kaj ga malo nazadno?
Vse imamo tu.
Malo bi ja.
Voda šprica.
Ja.
Ja, fejst. Tu nekje. Termostatke, hojs. Prikušča, leto, ko me hočeš gremo.
Pičkamo mater. Oni čepom odpri.
To. Zdaj tlifkat, če ne ideš slavo to pred.
Ali pa če kar pustiš?
Odprto, da mu nas zuka nabije.
Ja, bi pustil odprtega.
Pa bolj to rešujemo.
Kakva je situacija?
Situacija je pereča, da se ne vrejo, je. Zdaj je boljše, mislim, da ona guma ga preveč.
Prav kol frgazer. Dilna, guys.
Po mojem je isti, to ti.
Da je tole ven porina zdaj, ko tle vzem okrog. Ej, to... Ali je tam spet fajn ven turi, ali je to... Ma ni dobro.
Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I have uploaded anything or even since I have filmed anything. Now, the reason being is that most of the time that I had left after work and everything, I have been working on the car because I wanted to push the project as fast as we can because, well, it's the end of February. Tomorrow is the 1st of March and on 15th of March we can start drawing with summer tires and well, the project has been in the making for so long that I just want to get the car driving as fast as I can. So yeah, this is the reason I have skipped a couple of stuff because it wasn't all that interesting and it just takes a lot of time, but it's not anything special, so it's a little bit hard to make those videos entertaining. But yeah, we have made some progress. I'm going to show you what we've done. Now there's a couple of modifications, there's a couple of things we need to rework because we got a better idea, or we just wanted to implement a new solution that we found to be better. Now I have been getting some messages and some comments regarding the upload or the lag thereof, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for a little bit of a push, and yeah, let's get back on track. So inside we took out the central console because we're doing a modifications. We're adding a AFR gauge that I wanted to put where the clock is, but it would mean that the SR console should be modified, and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, this is what it is. We have the linear in, we still need to adjust it so it's going to have nice even gaps and everything. So we still have some stuff here to be done. Also the door panels still need to go in. I have sent it off a little drop that has been here, and there has also been a injury here because when we were putting it together, now this is nice and sanded, so I'm going to reapply a little bit of paint, wet sand it off and polish. We're going to do that. We have adjusted the gap in front because the wheel touched it. Yep, this is we're doing a breather system here. We still need to do that. I wanted to put an oil catch can, but the space is a little bit tight. So yeah, everything else is pretty much the same as I can remember. We're going to also add a fuel filter, the bigger one than that one, and also a fuel pressure regulator so we can tune those two carbs. Let's quickly jump on the other side. Yeah, so here we have the carbs. I added some foam filters and a scratch resistant sticker here. I'm not sure because it's transparent if the camera will catch it on. This is a temporary solution. We need to do something better with the filtering. This is a little bit unacceptable, but it will do in the meantime to get the car drawing and to tune the carbs a little bit. Other than that, I think this is pretty much standard. Added the rear license plate carrier. We also painted it underneath because I have added a press nut here and it has damaged the paint a little bit. So this is now done. The Engelmann mirrors are now on and they look pretty nice. We are running a list of items we still have to check out. So this is kind of what keeps our track of the progress. Yeah, this is one more drop that I have added because there was an injury when putting the doors on. I have scuffed a little bit of paint, but yeah, this is now just put on, so we have some extra material to wet sand and to polish. This is just a reminder where these bits are. Yeah, I have put on the gearbox mounts that come mounted on the bell housing because I seem to forgot it, and yeah, this and a couple of other bits, but today it's the 2nd of March and the car is assembled. So I still have to put in the bolt in the door stopper, and I need to 3D print a trim that comes around the door handle on the inside because the ones I have are, well, I only have one, and the other, even that one is in bad condition. So yeah, this, and I need to polish some stuff, but the paint needs to harden first. So mostly everything is done. I'll call it done because I'll do this later on, and these are the little bits that I can do whenever, but mostly, yeah, the car is finally assembled. So I'm quite excited. I'm going to probably start it tomorrow because it's going to be nicer weather, and I also need to clean up the car and the workspace a little bit. So yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and yeah, this will be in a couple of seconds for you guys. But I don't think I'm going to be able to sleep tonight because I'm quite excited to hear the engine again, maybe even do a couple of meters of driving. So yeah, okay, see you in a couple of seconds. Okay, so I'll be brief because it's very windy, so it might be hard to hear. The first meters of driving is now behind me, and there are a couple of things that we need to address. We have an oil leak somewhere. I think I figured out where it is, so I can work with that. There's still a funny thing because when you're turning the wheel and if you press it a little bit inwards, the horn starts working. So this, and when on full lock, something kind of starts braking the car, so it doesn't want to move freely. Also, it doesn't want to go into gear. So I'm thinking that the cable for the clutch cable might be at fault here. I'm going to wash the car and I'm going to clean out the workspace a little bit and put it back in so we can kind of address these issues. But the drive was yeah, it was very, very nice. A lot of mixed emotions because it's been such a long time coming. But yeah, I'm looking forward to addressing these issues and have the car really made to drive, because right now it's drivable, but it's not very enjoyable. Also, the steering rack is super long, so it's going to need some getting used to. Yeah, let's be cracking.
Nije šta za subiti.
To tak ne.
Jaz bi se šel malo pelat, pa kruzat.
Ja, ja.
Nek drog taki kruz, pa malo bi se nekaj...
Samo ni kruza, zdaj tako, ker moramo iti za kruz, moramo iti dol.
Gor šla.
Gor?
Gor.
Pa tam bo šleparo, pa nazaj.
Ja, recimo,
Sick.
Well, we're back from our drive to the MOT place, and as you can see, the car is a little bit wet. Now, the weather didn't hold, so it did rain, but there wasn't like any thunderstorm or anything like that. But we did test it, so it doesn't leak anywhere. The question is, did we pass the MOT or not? And I'm glad to say that we passed both MOT and homologation process. So we have now everything that we need aside from the papers that I pick up tomorrow, and then we can register the car. So off go the temporary plates for testing purposes, and we can put on the real plates. Now I wanted to personalize the plates, but that would require for me to wait additional 3 weeks, and right now with the shows coming up and everything, I kind of want to just drive the car to kind of see how it feels, work out the bugs. Like we know that the alternator is not working, so we need to fix that. We also need different jet size for the carburetors, so I want to test that out. So I'm just going to put normal plates on, and then a custom plate will come later on. Yeah, it's a huge milestone, especially a huge milestone will be tomorrow if we get the plates. So yeah, I'm very excited, and the car drove very well, even considering the wet roads. The semi-slick tires were holding pretty okay. Yeah, the guy at the MOT was pretty excited about the car. So yeah, this is the end of this episode. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.